Hello guys, working on an 8.1 here. It's the family's 8.1. Old cracked weathered belt. Wasn't sure how many videos were out there that show a good way to replace these. This is the tensioner. Takes a 15mm wrench, put it on there, pull it back. Alright, you can pull it forward, let it loose. This side goes all the way down. Alright, comes over here, goes around this pulley, up to the alternator, straight down. Okay, straight down to the power steering pump, comes up from the power steering pump, around the fan, and underneath. It goes underneath and onto the crankshaft. Okay, now it's a little tricky. It's better if you have two people. One person, be easier to hold this and push forward to let it loose because it is spring loaded, and then take a screwdriver and just be very careful and put it on there. If you can do it one-handed, it is possible to do one-handed. I did it one-handed. So hopefully this is a good video for you guys. Let me know how I did, and any good critic, anything, just type anything. Alright, so alternator, power steering, excuse me, I got my mind stutters. Tensioner. Okay, so from tensioner down to the crank, it goes around the crank, up to the fan, down to the power steering pump, up to the alternator, and around this little deal right here, this pulley. Okay, sorry for the bad video, but hopefully it'll help you guys out. Thank you.